Wattyl Interior Design Features and Effects Lustre is a dimensional iridescent specialty effect finish, imparting gentle tones and elegance to interior walls and ceilings. Its acrylic formulation ensures ease of use to achieve a pleasing finished appearance. The lustre technique is made even easier by following the easy step-by-step procedures shown on the Lustre How-To Guide, which is positioned on the Wattyl Interior Design Features and Effects colour display. Features and Effects Lustre is applied somewhat thicker than other glazes. The spread rate is 5 metres square per litre. Lustre is available in 20 striking colours. The lustre finish technique is essentially a 3-step process. Step 1. Application of a complementary base coat colour in Wattyl Interior Design Luxury Low Sheen. Step 2. Application of Features and Effects Lustre to the surface, and Step 3. Achieving a dimensional swirl effect using the plastic float trowel. Let's take a look at how easy it is to achieve such a beautiful look that until recently was performed by only professional specialty effects artists. Prior to any product application, clean the wall surface of any dirt, stains or other contaminants, and properly repair any surface imperfections that may be visible after being top-coated. Step 1. Apply the Interior Design Luxury Low Sheen base coat by rolling it on the wall in the normal fashion and allow to dry overnight. Application of the proper base coat and colour is crucial to maximising the textured appeal and depth of colour of the lustre finish. Step 2. Dip the colour wash brush into the lustre glaze so that only the first 25mm of the brush is loaded. Apply the product in a series of overlapping X's, working out from the first X, distributing the product as the brush becomes depleted. Reload the brush and repeat this process in adjacent uncoated areas. Apply the product as evenly as possible while avoiding an overly thick application. Continue with the X pattern application until a wall area measuring roughly 2 metres by 2 metres is coated. It's all right if the base coat remains visible through the brushed-on product in various places. Step 3. Using the plastic float trowel, gently press into the slightly dried surface, moving the material in a circular motion. The trowel should grab slightly and push the material in order to create the swirl effect. In some cases, the product may not have dried enough before troweling, and you'll recognise this as the trowel slips instead of pushing and moving the product. If this is the case, simply wait a few additional minutes before continuing to trowel. Note that the usual drying time is 10 to 15 minutes before troweling. Continue the swirling motion on adjacent areas until all of the 2 metre square area has been troweled. Note that the trowel may accumulate dried glaze. Have a bucket of water and sponge nearby to keep the trowel clean. Repeat steps 2 and 3 on remaining sections of the base coated wall to complete the project. Overlap previous areas as you go to avoid bands. Features and Effects Lustre dries in 1 to 3 hours. For an even more dramatic look, a second coat of lustre can be applied by repeating steps 2 and 3. Allow 4 hours to dry between coats. For maximum protection of the finished surface and increased stain resistance, an optional coat of Wattyl Interior Design Features and Effects Clear Protector is recommended. Add elegance and sophistication to any room with Wattyl Interior Design Features and Effects Lustre.